Good morning friends. Today I'll unbox Endura battery, which is of two quantities. I have ordered this from Design Info. In Design Info, this battery cost is only 3,600 for two battery. And in Amazon, it was showing 4,500. So I took the risk to see whether they send genuine product or not. So I am also excited to open the box. So let's open it. Design Info send this. There is invoice in this box too. So now I'll unpack it. So now we'll unbox it. We can see the packaging is really good. No problem at all. Packaging is really in good condition, so there is no harm in it. And I can see the battery in it. Here it is the battery. This battery also supported for GoPro Hero 12 devices. So MRP is 4,500. It is written here. I already mentioned that in Amazon this cost 4,500 around. They sell in MRP, but I bought from Design Info and they sold me for 3,600 rupees only. Though I had to pay 100 extra for delivery charge. So now I'll unbox the battery from here. This is original packaging, so it's genuine product. I don't know from where it should open. Okay, I got it. I should get two batteries from here. Yeah, I got two batteries. This battery supported GoPro Hero 9, 10, 11, 12. And it's Endura battery. It's long lasting battery, better than GoPro default battery. And I need to check whether it's working or not. So thank you Design Info for sending this battery in cheaper price. Thank you.